working on the pig pen back here. Got a new one coming. They love their little hay piles. They bury themselves in there. You see one, but there's a whole bunch in there. Here they come. Let's check the ice in here, but I don't think this is gonna freeze too much water. You can see it in there on the floor. You can see it in the turkey water. Yeah, I got a little ice this morning. It's crunchy, crunchy. Yucky. Even the duck water's frozen. I'm about to top y'all off this morning too. Alrighty. Yeah, today I'm gonna be doing some smoking of a half of a pig, a little wild sow pig. Let me go get this ready and put this on the stand, and we'll get started. This is a young wild pig, little sow that we neighborhood shot. Got a few little hairs still on it, but it ain't a big deal. We're going now. And we're going to be using a little bit of Tony's on it. That's pretty much all I'm going to use on it. Yeah. Stuff's good on its own. We still gotta get the fire started, so we're just gonna let that sit. It's freezing today, so we ain't gotta worry about nothing there. So let me go collect some firewood and I'll be right back. Alright, let's get her lit. Got her full of charcoal and some wood. Okay. I had to make sure it was gonna close. I put a lot of wood in there. Now you know the part here, you gotta wait for it to be lit good. So we'll come back to it in a moment. Alrighty. Looks like the coals are gonna burn good. So we're gonna put reverse the pocket this morning. Crazy. This. That's a limit to it. And we'll open this. Pull this in the back. Fit. Just like that. That's just because the bottom was about had it in this thing. So next step is flip this over to where the bottom is facing the thing. Everything's hot on this thing, so I'm gonna lay them in there. Just like that. Take a little bit of this back. There we go. So he fit. That's good. I thought he would. So, all right. Now it's just a matter of closing it up and waiting all day. Boiling the water on the roof right there. Well, we're gonna leave it here for now. Be back when, if I gotta add wood or something to it, I'll add it as I go. I gotta get some other things done today. I'm working on that pig pen back there y'all seen in the beginning of the video. So I need to get some more stuff to do with it. Fun part is putting poles in the ground. So they're digging them in today. So we'll be back here in a little bit. come back from the feed store. Yeah, threw in a paycheck. Alright, let's get over here and check their smoked meats. See how they're doing. Still smoking. Oh, it's looking good. Look at that. Smoky, smoky. Looks awesome. I don't know how done it would be right now. I don't think it should be done, but it looks done. So we got a little pocket knife for temperature test. Ugh. Look at that. Yeah, that's definitely done. Alrighty, we'll get the stuff out and we'll lay this back on top of here. Lay that on the end of it. Nope, it don't look like it. So it's gonna hurt. Stay still, plastic. Oh, aluminum. Sorry, not plastic, aluminum. Close this up. Get the smoker back. Alright, let me get you over here. We'll get a good look at that leg and cut into it and see exactly what we're dealing with here. Looks so good. I'm surprised it cooked quick. Did have my fire a little bit hot. So, let's just cut like this. Oh yeah, it's cooked all the way through. No blood, no nothing. Beautiful little pig here. This is a wild pig that trapped out of somewhere. I don't know. It was given to me. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful meat. It's juicy. Yeah, juicy, dripping off of it. So we're gonna go ahead and give this a try. I didn't inject it, and I thought about it. I didn't inject it, but I thought about it. But you know, it looks so good. Of course, it's a young pig, so it's really tender. It's wild, but it doesn't taste wild. It's kind of lean. But it's still good. Yeah, that's so good. I think my young pigs are in trouble. This is awesome. Go ahead and cover this up because I got some unloading the feed to do. Let it get down to that temperature I can carry it inside. Right there. Smoke's getting me. So, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see y'all in the next one. Maybe we'll do a whole pig at some point. We can get some more smaller ones. This one, I was gonna do whole, but it was shot, and of course it messed up the arm and stuff. So that's just part of hunting and trapping pigs. You gotta put them down. So we'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.